Let's take a look at shares of Exxon Mobil as well this morning. The stock trading lower today after the biggest U.S. oil producer warned that Q2 profits would fall sharply from last year over weak oil refining margins and lower natural gas prices. The company is set to report those earnings on July 28th. They did this through an SEC filing, giving an update on some of the figures here. And without, making people's eyes gloss over here, I think net, in just what we had mentioned a moment ago, a few of the things that they should kind of remember here is that this was a company that had talked about where they're kind of growing value and increasing production from assets to try and meet global demand, while at the same time trying to make sure that they've got a low carbon solutions team that grows out their new business with additional carbon capture as well. So really kind of a balancing of the dials here for Exxon Mobil, but at least in the near term, this is going to be one of the larger impacts here for the company, given some of the refining expectations that they had set forth at last quarter.
And you wonder what this does in terms of setting the stage for big oil in general, if you'll see other oil majors kind of come out and cut their guidance as well. It will certainly be a space to watch, and we're seeing a bunch of the oil producers under pressure as a result. Obviously, Exxon getting knocked the most, but then you see Chevron getting dinged as well, ConocoPhillips as well. Even Occidental under some pressure off the back of this reduction of their guidance. Now.
And it seemed like some of the projections, at least the expectations, consensus from Refinitiv at least, were looking for a per share profit, EPS, of $2.27 for the quarter that they had just given this disclosure for. So that seems like it's going to come in below the expectation that at least the street was looking for as well here. So we'll continue to see exactly. And we're going to be watching exactly when they report earnings. That is still set to come.